Leo Varadkar's autobiography, Speaking My Mind, is out this week, and the former taoiseach has plenty to say about former colleagues in Fine Gael. In particular, he takes aim at a pair of female TDs who he clashed with during his time as party leader. On Kate O'Connell, Varadkar defends not picking her as the Fine Gael candidate when his friend Owen Murphy resigned his seat in Dublin Bay South. He hits out at her outspoken views. Kate had been the perfect assassin, but instead of realising the preferential treatment was a one-off, something for her to build on herself, Kate saw it as an ongoing entitlement. On Maria Bailey, Varadkar gives his take on the infamous Swinggate controversy, where she sued a hotel after falling off a swing. He accepts his handling of the situation as party leader was not decisive enough, and he could have saved her political career. My big regret regarding Swinggate is that I didn't act more decisively at the start, he says. If I had sacked Maria as a committee chairperson immediately and suspended her for a few months, it would have been better for her and the party. It would have taken the heat out of the situation. She could have returned to the fold after the review, which was broadly favourable to her before the general election. And you can read about Leo Varadkar's autobiography, Speaking My Mind, in the Irish Independent.